And now we will practice f-string. So, for example, we will have 4 variables at like addition. So I will write something like this. You can use different number if you want. I will write sub like subtraction. I will use the same number. Mul like multiplication, something like this. And I will write div like division, okay? And it goes like this. And now I want to use for f-string and write the results, okay? You can write it out in one print if you want. So in one print you can use four variables if you want, but I will use it in 4 prints. So the first print will be like addition, and I will put there addition. So it means in my case it should be 8, right? So I will write it or run it. Addition is 8. Okay, great. Again, write f subtraction sub. Again, I will write or I will run the code because I want to check it if it is okay. Addition 8, subtraction 2. Okay, it goes well so far. After that we have multiplication. So I will write it mul, and I will try to write the last one. It's division, and we have div here. Okay, and we will see. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, I think it goes very well. So fine. I will clear it. So if you want, you can do whatever you want. So you can store in some variables, for example, your height, weight, favorite color, and so on, and just print it out with f-string.